Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. I've got this 90,000 one with the no rumble. I think I found the problem. I think it's PSS7. We're going to go ahead and change it and find out. I'm going to prop you up. Hold on a second. So you can see what I'm doing here. I have a suitable donor board here. That's what I use these boards for, is fuses. I will show you that my multimeter says it's open. If I can get it to sit up. I doubt it. It looks like it goes to the controller ports for rumble. I'm not 100% on that, but it says it's open, so I found a suitable replacement on the donor board. We're gonna go from there. I'm not gonna sit here and beat around the bush. I took this apart off camera really quick. It's faster for me to take these things apart off camera than it is to sit there and record it. Hold on a second, I'm gonna get a pair of tweezers. Well, I had a pair of tweezers, wherever the heck I put it. Ah, it's on top of the machine. Moving on. From the last power supply repair. So I'm going to take it off the donor board here, and then we'll take it off the other board. These components are so small. That you don't want to lose them, because they will go into Narnia. Sorry, I'm getting another one off board here. I know you guys can't see. See, I took it off the donor board. It was PS1. I have my airflow at 50%, by the way. That one's off. Go ahead and prep the pads. that solder bridge off of there. I'm going to go ahead, apply more flux. Put this on the board. Doesn't go to Narnia. Turn my airflow down a little more. We're going to see if we got continuity now. And we do. So, I'm going to put this back together. We're going to get it on the TV and see if I can see if we got rumble working or not. Because that's the only fuse that I saw that was open on this entire board. Yeah, you heard me right, guys. The only fuse that was open on the entire board. I told you I take donor fuses off of donor boards. I don't have time to sit here and order a bunch of little fuses and try to match fuses, and I just don't have the time for that. So I'm gonna get this put back together and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Still works like the day I put a laser in it. You got Ford Racing 3 in here. This is the best way to test for rumble. I did put it back together all the way. We've seen that a million times. So when I get in the game here. You get to see my face for 2 seconds.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3. Single player. Ford. Movie car chases. Car selected.
Like I said, we're just trying to see if I can get this thing to rumble, that's all. And it's going back to the game store and he's getting charged $100. I charge $100 an hour to solder. It's a pain in the ass. Excuse my language. Especially micro soldering without a scope.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now we got some rumble. Oh yeah. Here, I'm gonna hit something for you. See, look at that. PS7 on a 90,001. There you go. It's PS7. It's on the bottom of the board. And it's for your rumble regulator on these, apparently. Cause now it's rumbling like it's nobody's business. This sucker hopping off the floor. There you have it, folks. There you have it. Simple fuse. A simple fuse. It is PS7 on the bottom of the board, and on this 90,001, that's where your rumble circuit is. It's close to the apparently controller port. That's your rumble regulator, I guess. That is fantastic. It was just a simple fuse. I know there's no service manual for these, so bye-bye for now, and I'll catch you on the next one.